Okay, this is a very, very simple takeoff for your demo for Planet Fitness. So, what do we have here? Just some exterior doors and storefronts to be removed, very simple, and a couple of overhead doors to be removed. And the biggest part of this would be the removal of the concrete. And so, the first portion we have here is just how many linear feet that we have to remove. And so, yeah, that's the first thing. And you see there's quite a few. It's about 820 linear feet of that. And then to remove the concrete once we've cut it out, that came to be about 1,163 square feet. And so for that, we need to determine, what is the thickness of the concrete, if it's reinforced, because that's going to make a big difference in the cost of the labor. And so that's very important to verify before you give them a final price. Okay, if you have any questions at all related to this, make sure you email me at takeoffs at sfjohnsonconsulting.com.